Let's take a broad look at what a hypothesis test is. So when we conduct scientific research, typically there is some known information, and that's either from past work or past research, or from a long accepted idea, such as the average height of adults is 5'6". And this claim about the population is going to become what's known as our null hypothesis. So a hypothesis in general is a claim or statement about a population characteristic. So in this class, we're going to be interested in talking about the population mean, but you could also be talking about the population median, the population standard deviation, etc. And then a hypothesis test is a way for us to test a specific claim using our sample statistics. So in other words, we're going to use our sample mean X bar to test a claim about our population mean mu. And what we want to do is we want to test whether the claim is believable using data collected from a sample. So to do this, we need to start off by determining what our null and our alternative hypotheses are. So our null hypothesis is H with a little 0 next to it. And this is a claim by an authority figure. So it's usually a claim of the status quo or no effect, nothing's changed. It could be based on that past research, like the average height of adults is 5'6". And the claim is always for a specific value. So it's always the population mean mu is equal to a specific number. The alternative hypothesis, H with a little a next to it, challenges that claim being made by the authority figure. So we're making a claim against that specific value. And what we're looking at is whether that claim is less than, greater than, or just different from the claim being made by that authority figure. So if we go back to those basketball free throws, the null hypothesis is going to be my claim as the authority, and that's that the proportion of free throws I make is 75%. So I have a 75% free throw percentage. And our alternative hypothesis is your challenge to my claim. So you're saying the proportion of free throws is less than the 75% free throw average. All right, come back in the next video and we'll take a look at how to write these null and alternative hypotheses.